Well, what's up, guys? Been a while since I've posted anything to this godforsaken channel, but hey, we hit 1,000 subs. That's some kind of a milestone. Yeah, right. So, what I am going to do is put together a Partscaster. So today I'm just going to kind of show you what I got, and then I'm going to start building it, and I'll just update these videos as I go, and you'll get to see the finished product. So let me show you what I got, and I'll just reach out here and grab it. So most of this stuff came from Guitar Fetish. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but guitarfetish.com. It's a website online that sells cheaper parts. Most of the stuff I've ever gotten from them has been decent. Let's be honest. I've gotten some pickups from them before in the past, and I've gotten some smaller parts, but never anything major. So first, we got their XGP line. So this is supposed to be their premium line of stuff. Whether it is or not, to be determined. I mean, it looks good. So I got the Sunburst strap body. I got it with the swimming pool route because I didn't know what pickup configuration I wanted to go to, and this gives me the options. If I'd got one, they had them that were routed for just singles, and I believe they had some that were routed humbucker, single, whatever. You can kind of get any configuration you want. They have a lot of different colors, and it's like 60 bucks for the body. I mean, it's not heavy. I don't know how many pieces it is. There's at least 2 that I can see looking down in there. Probably more. Well, there's one. You can kind of see a line right in here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but anyways. But either way, it's in good shape. It's a Sunburst body, and I don't see any problems with it right off the bat. I just opened this up the other day, but I haven't really messed with it. I made sure the neck fit, basically. I didn't screw it in, but made sure it fit in the pocket right. But no cracks in the finish or anything like that. It's not perfect by any stretch, but it is what it is. So let's see. I'll show you the neck here. Now, XGP neck for Strat. Turn it up where you can see XGP. The frets feel good. Truss rods up top. The headstock does kind of match the burst, which is good. I didn't expect that. I didn't even order it that way. I ordered this neck because I liked the abalone inlays, as you can see. Maple neck. It's got a scarf joint. You can probably see that. The lighting's not great, but it's got a scarf joint. That's no big deal. It did have a little bit of damage. I don't know if you can see it right in there. Yeah, you can kind of see it. That's probably from shipping, so I'm not going to fault them. It could have been packed a little better, but I mean, all they did was wrap this in a bubble wrap, so the end was exposed a bit. It did come with a truss rod cover also. Yeah, so yeah, that's what it is. This nut doesn't look that great. I'll probably swap that out eventually. We'll try it at first just to see how it works. It's probably going to need to be filed though. I can tell already. But like I said, the frets feel good. They're all lined up pretty good. There's also some wonky looking. I don't know if you can see it on this inlay, how it's kind of white right there. Yeah, I don't know what that is. If it's just the way the wood is, or if it's like a defect in manufacturing of it. You can't feel anything, so it is what it is. So, the pickups that I decided to go with, let me open it up here. I got a pick guard. I'll have to pull out the old soldering gun on this one. For sure I'm going to have to pull out the soldering gun. There's some jacked up stuff I didn't realize before. So it's American pickups, American Strat with S1 switching. Made 8/18/06, so they should be noiseless single coils, and it should be just a good humbucker from them. Trying to look now. Gonna definitely need some wire. See this wire. Let me see if I can show you guys. It's just a ground. It looks like. There's one right here, and it's broken off. Let's go into the S1 pot, which is also your volume. The switch is super funky. God, I'm glad I don't have to wire that up. It all looks decent. Yeah, so we got that S1 switching. I wanted that, just more sound options. I'll have to get a wiring diagram out and see where some of this stuff goes. I mean, it's pretty clear where that one went, which doesn't make a whole lot of sense. White ground's there, but I guess it's because all the parts are up there. It's got a ground. It's for the capacitor. So, I don't know. It's got some decent stuff on it. I mean, it is what it is. They are Fender pickups, so you see the Fender logo on it. Or at least on the humbucker, there's a Fender logo. Not any logos on the neck, on the two single coils, though. So, I don't know. 60 L3013, L3012 written on there. I don't know. I don't have any markings on them, but I mean, I didn't pay that much for it, so I'm gonna roll with it. It's white. It's kind of aged. It's been used and abused. Got some scratches on it. I don't really care about that. As long as it works, right? So there's that. We got our bag of goodies here. We got some Fender 6-in-a-row tuners, machine heads. I love how it says made in Taiwan on the back, and then it says this is a genuine Fender part from Corona, California. If you can see that. Yeah. Anyway, these are locking tuners, so spare no expense there. Schaller strap locks. This is a truss rod cover. It came with the neck. This, I don't know what this is. I want to open it. Dear Lord, it's an unboxing now. I really don't know what this is. According to this, string guides. Okay. So these are my string trees. From Sport High Tech. So it's a cool little website where you can buy a bunch of parts. They give you coupons and stuff like that. Anyway, roller string trees. American Fender stuff. You know, I tried to get most of the stuff, most of the extra parts were Fender America stuff. That's what I tried to do. Oh, we got another one to open here. Pull out the old pocket knife. Let's see what we got here. This is a jack plate. That's all. Jack plate with the jack. Switchcraft stuff. So that's all. Just switchcraft stuff. Yeah. It's a jack. It's got the screws. Yippity doo dah. Nothing fancy there. My springs and stuff for the tremolo claw, all that. Got this cool neck plate off of eBay. If I can find the name of the company, I'll tell you. It just says custom on it. It's gold, whatever. It was something cool to put on there. And is this the last piece? Yeah, finally the tremolo itself. So this is another XGP product. It's a narrow width tremolo, so it's got doesn't have the vintage spacing. My other Strat does. Well, we're gonna try this. Okay, it's got some weight to it, so that's good. Um, I love how they stamp US on the bottom, like it's real. No, their stuff is probably made as far away from America as you can get. Let's be honest with ourselves here. But I mean, it looks good. It's chrome. The saddles look good. They're not all rusted out. They look aluminum, so that's good. We'll set up the intonation and the action and all that. God forbid you guys watch that video I made. But that's what we got. So that's all our parts for building this Strat. So hopefully it comes together. I'm going to get started on that here in just a minute. And I'll try to film as much as I can. So thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.